Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes, simple recipes, difficult recipes, recipes that we would like to try for first time, our traditional recipes, not traditional recipes, any kind of recipes that we like. And if you like recipes, you can hit that subscribe button and see more videos from me. And if you like my videos, you can do like on my videos, leave your comments down below. I'll be so happy to reply to all of your comments. Today we're gonna have Briam. It's a traditional recipe that my grandmother and my mother were doing during the summer season, and since the summer is on our doors, I decided that it's time to show you that delicious recipe. Delicious, I wanted to say. Let's see what we're gonna do. It's a comfort Greek food that everybody likes, and you can serve it with feta. It's amazing combination, and some freshly baked bread. Oh my god, and you want to eat with that salsa. Oh my god, it's amazing. So first of all, we need to cut our veggies. Gonna see you right after cutting the veggies. Perfect. I'm gonna add my herbs, and that's gonna be the parsley here. Great. So parsley in the tray, and now we have that amazing full of colors tray with all the veggies. I really like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add salt. Good. I'm gonna add some pepper. Amazing. And here I have some oregano that I dried myself here at home, so I'm gonna add some freshly dried oregano. Well, and don't be scared to add enough. Like my grandma could add like half a cup, and it was very, you know, oily. I'm not much of a fan of half a cup. And now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. It's a tomato sauce that I made myself, and it has also some mint, and I think it's gonna give some extra flavor of freshness to the recipe. So I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. It's approximately like a cup. This is a big bowl here, and now I'm gonna mix everything together. So I'm gonna mix them really quickly. You can put your hands in there, and actually I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put my hands because it's hard to be clean and mix that amazing food. So I'm not adding any water because all these veggies, they're gonna have their own juice, so there is no need to add any water. Mix them well, guys, so all spices gonna go everywhere, and tomato sauce. Yes, it's messy, but it's yummy messy. And after I mixed everything, it's everything combined nicely. You can see that here. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover with aluminum foil. Look at all these colors. And I'm gonna bake it. And now we're gonna bake it for half an hour covered and another 20 to 30 minutes uncovered. Was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching Greek and Simple. Thank you for watching me. And if you like my cooking, you can also follow on Instagram because I do food photography. It's a new skill that I lately developed for this channel. Yes, everything started for Greek and Simple, and now I'm obsessed with food photography too, and videography, as you know. So you can follow there, and see you next time on the next video with the rest of the recipes. Bye bye!